Welcome back to JM Auto Review, where innovation meets motion and every mile tells a story. Today, we're diving into something truly special in a vehicle that blurs the line between home and horizon, the 2026 Toyota Nomad Motorhome. But here's the question we're answering today. Can it really replace your home? Let's find out. Imagine waking up not in your house, but in the middle of a pine forest. You brew coffee as sunlight pours through panoramic windows. You take a few steps, and instead of walking into your living room, you're already on the open road. That's the dream Toyota is selling with the 2026 Nomad, a motorhome designed to make anywhere feel like home and home feel limitless. Let's start with the exterior, because that's where the Nomad first makes its presence known. The 2026 Toyota Nomad has a design that feels part SUV, part spaceship, and entirely ready for adventure. Its aerodynamic silhouette is shaped to slice through air efficiently while maintaining a bold, muscular stance. Toyota has used a reinforced aluminum and composite body that's both lightweight and durable, ideal for long trips through unpredictable terrain. The front fascia features Toyota's new LED Infinity Vision lighting signature, wrapping smoothly around the grille for a futuristic appeal. The Nomad rides on 20-inch all-terrain alloy wheels with adaptive air suspension, allowing it to raise or lower depending on the terrain. Whether you're tackling mountain paths or cruising through cities, this system automatically adjusts for comfort and stability. What's immediately striking is the modular layout. Solar panels elegantly cover the roof, providing up to 800 watts of self-sustaining energy. Combine that with the optional 48V hybrid generator, and the Nomad can remain off-grid for days without breaking a sweat. It's Toyota's vision of total independence, and it feels revolutionary. Around back, the Nomad includes a power-lift rear deck that folds out into an open-air patio. You can literally sit under the stars, plug in your outdoor kitchen, and dine surrounded by nature. Add to that the LED floodlights, side awnings, and smart climate sensors that adjust cabin temperature automatically, and this isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle command center. Step inside and you're immediately wrapped in what Toyota calls nomadic luxury. The cabin is a blend of minimalist design and smart technology. Every corner feels considered. The interior space expands electronically, thanks to Toyota's slide-outside modules that widen the living area when parked. The walls are lined with sustainable bamboo and soft-touch vegan leather, illuminated by ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood and time of day. Front and center is the captain's cockpit, a digital command hub featuring Toyota's latest AI-driven infotainment system. The massive 15-inch curved display integrates navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and smart home connectivity, so you can literally control your house devices back home while sitting in your motorhome. Voice control handles everything, from adjusting lights to activating sleep mode. The steering wheel has built-in haptic feedback for better control on rough roads, and the panoramic windshield offers a 180-degree augmented reality view with heads-up navigation, directly projected on the glass. Now behind the cockpit lies the lounge, a space that feels more like a modern apartment than a camper. The reclining sofa transforms into a full queen-size bed, and there's even a 55-inch retractable OLED TV that emerges from the cabinet. The Nomad uses Toyota's new acoustic glass and sound cancellation tech to create a silent interior, even while driving at high speeds. The kitchen setup is compact yet incredibly efficient. You get an induction cooktop, a smart fridge with dual-zone cooling, a convection oven, and even a purified water tap. The countertops are made from recycled stone composite, durable, easy to clean, and stylish. Every drawer is soft close, every corner uses space intelligently. Moving toward the rear, you enter the bathroom, and this is where the Nomad surprises most people. There's a full standing shower with rainfall feature, an odor-neutralizing smart toilet, and temperature-adjustable mirrors. The ventilation system ensures humidity control no matter where you are, desert, mountain, or seaside. Then there's the bedroom, easily one of the best in its class. A lift-up bed with understorage, blackout blinds, and adaptive lighting gives you hotel-grade comfort wherever you park. The insulation keeps temperature consistent, and the soundproofing creates a quiet cocoon, ideal for long rest stops. Performance-wise, Toyota didn't hold back. The Nomad is powered by a 3.5-liter hybrid V6 engine producing a combined 420 horsepower with 600 Nm of torque. It's paired with a smooth 10-speed E-shift, automatic and an intelligent all-wheel drive system. The result? Power when you need it, efficiency when you don't. It can tow up to 8,000 pounds, and despite its size, it offers an impressive 18 miles per gallon combined, exceptional for a vehicle in this category. The hybrid setup also allows for silent electric, cruising up to 60 kWh, battery alone, perfect for sneaking through campsites quietly at night. Off-road, the Nomad performs far better than expected. With a ground clearance of up to 13 inches, terrain management modes, and reinforced underbody protection, it's ready for dirt tracks, sand dunes, and mountain passes. The adaptive suspension constantly, 100 times per second, ensuring you glide instead of jolt. Safety tech is top tier. Toyota's Guardian Suite 3.0 brings autonomous lane centering, adaptive cruise, 360-degree cameras, pedestrian recognition, and even trailer sway control. You also get the brand new Predictive Terrain Assist, which scans the path ahead and auto-adjusts drive settings before you even hit rough ground. So how much does this home on wheels cost? The 2026 Toyota Nomad starts around $178,000 USD for the base model, with the fully loaded Platinum Edition reaching about $215,000. That includes solar roof, AI home system, and advanced terrain package. Expensive? Maybe. But when you realize it could replace your house, the math starts to make sense. And here's the key. Toyota's offering a modular ownership model. That means you can upgrade components like solar batteries, kitchen modules, or AI systems without replacing the entire motorhome. It's designed to last decades, evolving as your lifestyle changes. Every element of the Nomad tells the same story: freedom without compromise. It's not just about traveling, it's about living fully anywhere. Whether you're parked on a cliff, overlooking the ocean, or tucked into a quiet forest trail, the Nomad gives you the same comfort you'd expect from home, maybe even more. For digital nomads, families, explorers, or those who simply want to break free from the static life, the Toyota Nomad might just be the ultimate answer. So can it really replace your home? Maybe not for everyone, but for those who crave adventure, peace, and purpose in every journey, it absolutely can. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Nomad, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because at JM Auto Review, we bring you the future of mobility, one incredible ride at a time. And here's the real question for you. If you had the keys to the Nomad right now, where's the first place you'd drive it? Tell me in the comments below, because your next home might just have wheels.